Your inhalation and actively, consciously, your little pillow. Let's get set up so we can just take a moment here in Sukhasana to check in. As you arrive, lengthen up through the spine and gently close your eyes. Allow yourself to just be here, be sleepy, be present. If you're feeling anxious, be anxious. There's no judgment here. Slipping into the role of the observer, I find that early morning hours are the perfect time, albeit sometimes a little hard to get there. It's the perfect time to carve out some space for listening to the body. Good. Now take a second here to notice your breath, and as you begin to bring awareness to your breath, let it be soft and quiet. Whatever that means to you, just let it be soft and quiet. Continuing to allow our attention to be drawn inward, in towards the self. Then slowly, even sweetly, we'll bring the palms together, Anjali Mudra, and allow them to rest gently underneath your chin, above, just floating above your heart center. And with this gesture, with this mudra, allow your heart to slowly lift up and allow your breath to deepen. So actively, with